about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
It's an early morning start. Sun's not quite up. It's probably gonna hit sunrise here in a little bit, but we want to make it to Eleuthera and get in the anchorage before the sun goes down, so we're gonna jet a little bit early. Well, we're in about 10,000 feet of water now. This is what it looks like. We're crossing to Eleuthera and we got this nice swell. Sounds like we got some Dwight Yoakam going on in the background. Just a real nice ride. If there's a little more wind, it would be better though. We're getting, well, I'm making my apparent wind reach 8 knots, but it's not really enough to drive the boat and get where we need to be today. So we're motoring again. Cruising is motoring, if you ever wonder.
Got 2 rods going.
All right, Egg Island's in front of us, our Egg Key. It's got a great anchorage should you ever cross from the Berries or from the Abacos and need a place to stay. It's a really nice place. Got a pretty little deep sand beach. You can anchor probably 100 yards off of it. It's beautiful. So we're gonna cut through there, and then we're gonna go to Royal Island Harbor, which is a lot more protected since there's gonna be, I don't know, 35 knots of wind tomorrow night. But I'm gonna go there today and stay through tomorrow and then go up to Spanish Wells. That's kind of our plan. We're getting some neighbors. We got 130 feet of chain out for the blow that's coming through. Hopefully I won't swing their way. But looks like Colin from Wyro and me are gonna head to Spanish Wells for a grocery run in the dink. And that's supposed to be a 20-minute dinghy ride. Should be plenty wet. Anyway, get some video. Hey, we're back in Spanish Wells. Pretty busy, a lot busier than when we were here last time. Work being done. Of course, we were probably at the tail end of the season, and now we're close to the beginning of everybody being here, but we're gonna walk around. After the day in this dinghy run, we'd be stuck on the boat for 4 days. During that time, we would bake pizzas, bake a king cake, and here's the recipe for that. Here's our first step in making some king cake. You know, after January 6th, king cakes are available in New Orleans all the way to Mardi Gras Day. Being from New Orleans, I've been craving it, and I've been meaning to make one, so today's the day. This is the first step. We made the dough, put the filling in. Now we're going to let it rise for a little bit, and then we're going to bake it at 350. And we'll put all the details of the recipe in a short video, either on Facebook or on YouTube. Well, no sprinkles, but this is how it turned out. So now we will taste it and see what it's like.
Even though it's been so rolly, we get rewarded with a beautiful rainbow.
After 4 days of being stuck in high winds in Royal Harbor Island, or Royal Island Harbor, we're off the boat. We just got tired of it and moved right across the way to Meeks Patch. Still plenty windy, as you can hear, but much better scenery and much easier access to a beach. Now we take little Miss Tybee over there and get her on the shore. Hopefully she doesn't get attacked by pigs. Ducks, pigs, and then there's the barnyard animals. So we're just sitting here at this storm at the anchor, and we're waiting for it to disappear so we can make a wet dinghy ride over to Spanish Wells and get some more fuel and some provisions, and then come back here. This is sort of the best protection for easterly and southeasterly winds in the area, so that's why we're here. A few more days of this wind, and then we'll probably head further south. We're hiking to Buddhas. But let's go get some seating. So we're back at Buddha's. We'll probably hit up the Buddha's liquor store and get some food. Alright, we're finally leaving Meeks Patch. Lyro's at anchor. The other boats are still here. Scout is walking the deck of his catamaran, Scout. So we're gonna pick up, we're gonna head over to Spanish Wells for a little bit, get some more fuel. We're gonna have to do probably the jerry can run. Get some more fuel, get some more groceries, get a few more spares, and then we're gonna head out. And Wyatt's loading the dinghy up with trash. It's one of his chores. And I guess we'll get on our way. trips with the jerry cans. Well, it's high tide's enough. I could probably have brought the boat in, but I just lost half my crew. Which means Jennifer, who's going to the marina to take a shower. So, it's picked over pretty good here. We're getting the groceries at the food fair in Spanish Wells. I'm taking pictures of Spanish Wells houses, and Wyatt is telling me all about Minecraft houses. All about it. After we stocked up at Spanish Wells, we started making our way towards Current Cut. As we passed Meeks Patch, we lost our engine. Really, we lost the drive belt to the alternator, so we shut it down. Fortunately, we remembered that we were a sailboat, put a sail out, and just had a pleasant or glorious sail for several hours down the current.
First you say you love me, now you're breaking it off. You had me at a low, and then you passed go and collected your greens. Easily it seems, oh. Tell me, did I do something wrong? Or did you invite someone to this song? I don't want to start by criticizing you.
We weren't going to make it through Current Cut without an engine, so Jenny sailed us right into our anchorage, and we set the hook for the night.
But this won't be my heartache, no. This will be your mistake, oh. Go ahead and run. Go ahead and run, run, run. This will be your mistake, oh.